Good morning, guys. So how you guys doing? So today we're gonna install a rubber lip from Samurai. And yeah, we're gonna open this up. It's a rubber skirt and it comes with the rubber lip and self tappers and the instructions and the sticker. I think this is how we're gonna install this. So I don't understand Thailand. Yeah. So guys, yesterday I painted the headlight, some eyelashes, eyebrows, I don't know, and I paint matched this and dechrome this, same as the other side. Got some minor bubbles there, yeah, it's kinda cool. So guys, the instruction is Thailand, Thai, yeah, I can't read this, so yeah.
I like the vision of us, but something more, cause being just friends ain't enough. Yeah, girl, we've been texting too much late at night, and I just got a confession.
So guys, I just backed up my car for some spaces. There's the bumper, and that's my car. And that's my setup. Right there. So guys, installing the skirt, the lip skirt, you just need to flip over the bumper. Because we're gonna put it here. Yeah. So guys, installing the lip is, says here, it's easy. So let's do it. Yeah. Installing the lip, you need to clean this with the alcohol and the microfiber for some stickiness all along. Yeah.
To tell you how I feel, then I don't wanna be right, cause it's killing me to set all these emotions aside. We don't have to hide this no more, no more.
So guys, it has a wavy parts like this. I don't know. but it's kinda alright.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet.
So guys, we just need the self-stoppers right now for some secureness. This self-stoppers, and we will put it on the chin, in the chin, on the.
But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel again I wanted something real to just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
So guys, it's done. Look at that. That lip though. It looks easy, but it's hard. It's hard to put it in my chin. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Peace out.